Hey beauty, welcome to another vlog. My best friend and her husband are coming over for a little barbecue get together on Sunday. We're gonna do Sunday fun day, set up the bounce house water slide, and just enjoy the summertime. I'm so excited, but naturally I kind of had to make a Ross run. I found a lot of really cute stuff, but instead of unboxing it and showing it to you here in my office, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up. Tomorrow we're going to Six Flags for the first time. I won't be able to do any setup or anything. I think I'm gonna trim my hair this week because my ends are starting to get like really dry. I could use a little trim off the ends. I also really want to do some short bangs, but I've been nervous about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I cannot with how long they are now. How cute is this little lemon set? I loved that. It was $17.99 for the 2-pack. I'm just gonna put them on the front porch here. How cute! Oh my gosh. Look how cute! I love them!
Can I do this?
Yeah? Go, Ellie! Woo! Go, Bray! Oh, big jump! Whoa! I love it! How cute are those? They were only $29.99 a piece, and I'm lucky that I found them matching because there was one in the pillow section and one in the summer section. But I'm very happy with those. I did also need to replace these cushions, so I made a Walmart order. It's supposed to be here this evening. They had the Better Homes and Garden ones on sale, so yay, I can't wait to update those. Watching NASCAR. What is this, practice? Cool. I had gotten these candle holders from FabFitFun, and I hadn't gotten any candlesticks, so at Ross I picked up a 6-pack for $5.99. I've had them up here and they look super cute, so I'm gonna add these on fireplace. What do you think? Is that cute there? Or should I put it here? Jace, which side do you like better? Ooh, do you even like that? I do kind of want to switch this area up though, because I've had it like this for a while, but the little candle holder is a nice little change. I ended up putting the flowers in, which I think is super cute. It added something a little extra. I think that looks cute. Okay, moving on. I found these cute little cups. They're plastic. They were in the outdoor section for $6.99, and I've kind of been wanting some new iced coffee cups, so I thought these would be cute. I'm just gonna stock them in this section. How cute are those? We just got our Walmart delivery. I did go ahead and grab everything that we would need for the barbecue. I'm sure we'll have to make some last minute grocery runs. I still need to clean out here, but we got the cushions in and they look so good. They're nice and thick, and it did come with 2 pieces per. So I bought 4 cushions, 2 for the bench and 1 for each rocking chair. I also got these super cute little towels. A 4-piece set for $5.99, not bad. So I'm just gonna put one out on the counter. That looks so cute right there. I'm just going to store the rest right in here. I had gotten 2 boxes of these hydrangeas quite a while ago, and I never did anything with them. So I think I'm just gonna take them and just make a little flower pot here because I am not good at keeping real plants alive, and I think that'll be cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute that little pot turned out. I love it. I need to wipe it down because it does have chalk on it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it out here or put it by my front door, but that turned out so cute. And I still have another box. I might try to use it somewhere else. Josh is washing off our porch. You got it looking so nice out here, babe. The kids had chalk all over the swing. We definitely need a new tree. Poor tree is gone. It got left out in the winter.
Just take all this stuff and power wash this thing.
I know. The kids have been making chalk paint, and so it's gotten everywhere, but we're set up for the most part out here. I just got these little fake succulents from Amazon. It came with another one that I put on the stove. It's really cute. I'll show you. I just did a little basket of swim towels, and then I put Ellie's and Braden's off to the side because they have like a really cute hooded one. And then we do need to get the bounce house set up, but it's looking so good. What do you think about the cushions? I didn't even ask you. They're cute, huh? Also, I got this little watermelon doormat from, I think, Amazon a couple years ago, and I love it so much. It's held up really well, too, like all the colors. It definitely needs to be swept off, but for the most part, it's holding up really nicely. I also had Josh set up this little door screen I got from Amazon. It's magnetic in the middle, and then the top he just did a pill and stick sticker, and it also came with tacks, so it's pretty secure up there. Because with the summertime and the kids coming in and out, we get so many flies, and this will definitely help. The kids are setting up the bounce house.
Look at my summer camp.
Oh, I love it.
You gotta say on Elliot Barrel summer camp for us.
Ellie building a summer camp with her toys. Yeah?
And Annabelle and Michael is coming over.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun.
And I have the store.
Nice. Oh my gosh. Did you set up the s'mores? What kind of marshmallows did we get?
Marshmallows with milk sugar.
Show me the bag. You set up all this little s'more station. Are they good? Have you tried them?
Mom, we need to buy a new one.
Yeah, go put it in the trash.
I do have milk chocolate.
Are they good?
I want to have one.
Yum.
Mom, have the rest.
No.
Want it?
I do want to try it.
They're kind of hot.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
I think once it melts, it'll be good. The chocolate's good. And I saw someone on probably TikTok where they roast the marshmallow and they put it in the Teddy Grahams. So I thought the ones with the chocolate inside would be perfect to mix up. And then this is our little portable fire pit. We're excited for some s'mores. And then actually my best friend who's coming over got this for mine and Josh's wedding. And it's the perfect little tray to keep outside. It's like a little margarita tray. I like that it holds the glasses so they don't get knocked over by the kids or anything. And then it has a bowl for chips and dips. So once I get everything made, I'll take that outside so we can enjoy it by the pool. Hi, baby. I've got my little drink pitcher ready to go. I think I'm gonna do drinks first. And then I saw this like Frito salad thing on Macy Blackwell's TikTok, and I saved it. It looks pretty easy, so I'm gonna try and throw that together. And then Josh had to grab some avocados for some guac. Hey! So I'm gonna do guac and pico in this one, and I've already made some salsa. So I'm getting ready to put all that together. And they're almost here, guys. It's gonna be a fun day. There's the fourth little succulent that I got from Amazon. I almost forgot to show you that. I'm about to make this margarita, which I'm gonna use this spicy tamarindo tequila. I was very excited to find this in the Total one because we were drinking the Smirnoff one last year. But this is tequila and the Smirnoff is vodka. So I grabbed that. I think I'm gonna use that today, but I did also want to show you this spicy cucumber one. Me and Josh made some watermelon margaritas. I think I shared on Instagram the other night because we had a little date night when the kids stayed over with their cousins. And this was really good. So if we need another drink, we could always try this one. But I'm gonna make a pitcher, and I had gotten these pineapple chunks. I guess they're gonna be frozen margaritas because they're still frozen, which that's okay because we're gonna be outside. So I'm just gonna do this whole bag of pineapples. And I'm gonna do 2 of these Humex Peat Mango Nectars. And I'll probably do, what do we think? 3 shots per person. There's 4 of us. What's 3 times 4? 3, 6, 12. So I'll probably just include 12 shots, which will probably be like half the bottle, honestly. Can't get it open. Got it. It smells good. Ooh, that smells so good. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to mention, I'm literally looking at it. I also got that little cutting board. It fit perfectly between the stove and the microwave. Thought that was cute. The kids are playing something, and I forgot what number I was on. Okay, luckily I had video evidence, and I did 3 shots. So 9 more to go. 4. Smell this, babe. It smells so good.
Oh gosh, it does.
5, 6, 7, 8. It's gonna be the whole bottle. 9. I did 3 per person.
I just texted Annabelle.
Or should I do 2 per person?
How many did you do? 3 per person?
That's
Leave it
12.
Right, leave it right there.
We're at 9.
There's 4 of us.
Yeah.
So that's do 1 more.
That's how many
Yeah,
per
10.
person?
It's like 2 1/4, 2 1/2.
Okay, just 10. I was gonna do 12, which would have been the whole bottle, but
Trying to say.
I guess Josh did just pick up some beer too. Okay, and we're gonna blend her up. Smooth. I might put some ice in here. I think I should put some ice in it, or just put ice in the glasses. It's a big pitcher for that amount of drink, but it's all foamy on the top.
You got ice in there?
No, it was frozen pineapple. Should I put that? They'll be here soon. These little spots right here are actually for salt and lime. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this tahini sauce. This is the chamoy sauce. And I'm gonna put that on this side.
Is that hot sauce?
Uh-huh.
That would be sweet, spicy hot.
And then I'm gonna take the salt, put it on this side. Thanks, Jace.
Can I help with
I'm making a mess. Yeah. You pour the salt. Okay, and then we're gonna take our glass,
I want to do that.
put it in here.
I want to try.
Hold on, let me put the glass in here real quick. Okay, it's kind of chunky, but
Like it?
to do like that, yeah.
Ooh, it looks like a damn pit.
Yeah, look at that. And our margarita glasses are ready to go. Here's what our little margarita looks like. It turned out so yummy. Look how cute that tray is. I'm gonna take it outside once I finish doing all the dips, but cheers, Sunday fun day.